Here we have a look at the CPU. It's not very busy at the moment, and I'm running a VM on that CPU, and I'm going to run this little script here just to see that translation. We don't want extra delay. I want to go as fast as possible. Normally you would want that delay so you can see and read it. I'm gonna go not with the cloud but the local one, so I'm gonna say no, and here's my local server. I'm gonna go from English to two translations, French and Espanol. So I'm gonna do two translations, and the files are coming from a folder. Here is the list of files, a whole bunch of files, small ones, just a few sentences, one each. And do you want to see the source? Yes. Do you want to see the target? Yes. And we're going to keep the translation, so it's creating a folder. If it's already there, tell us so. And then do we want to clean? No, we don't want to clear the screen because we want to see it scroll by, so let's say no. And do we want to show some sort of record details? Yeah, why not? So we'll see more than just the text that's getting translated, but maybe something like the file size or the name of the file and that sort of thing. And do we want to also have it converted to speech to hear it? No, not in this case. I just want to see it translated and displayed and ready to go. So now before I do that, I'm going to show you a recording. This is not accelerated. This is the speed at which it was actually doing that, right, when I recorded it earlier. And this is the exact same collection of text, about 1,000 different files, and very low latency because it's local, right? It's on the same machine. You can see if I take a look at the there, let's get this guy here, good look. A little bit of activity here for playing that video, but really not a whole lot. So now let's go and do this in real time. So you can see there is a little bit of delay occasionally because it's actually doing a translation, and sometimes it's really fast because it's cached. There's a lot of repetition there, right? There's a question and the answer is yes or yeah or and sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but you can see even longer chunks of text get translated really quickly. Now it's also quite a bit busy here. And so that's the nature of the on-premise or even on-device machine translation. You can have it go really fast. If everything has been done before and all the sentences have been cached, they're gonna go even faster. So right now, as you watch this, it keeps going faster and faster because more often than not, you see answers that have been seen before. Some of the text gets therefore pulled from the cache as opposed to retranslate to exactly the same way. And so when you do this a few times, you'll actually get to see the potential of the very high speed when it's essentially a dialogue that's been seen before. Anyway, this is a good way to do translation if you have to have it on premise or highly secure, secretive, very private, no cloud communication, totally off the internet. I am on the internet here, but I can also disconnect here. Let's see if we do that right here and close my Wi-Fi. There you go. And it keeps going happily. So there is no need to actually be on the cloud when you need super high quality and super high speed, low latency translations. That's basically the take-home message here. So if you're interested into this, if you're into that type of scenarios, let us know. We're happy to guide you and show you how it's done.